It's been a little while. Apologies, but we're back and expect daily videos, okay? Now, we're on AUDUSD, so let's start with AUDUSD on the daily time frame as well. Okay, the local price action, I've got A, B, C. Kind of, there you go. A, B, and C. Okay. Coming down, I'm looking for a 5-wave move. We are going to need to go to the 4-hour time frame. Give me a sec with this. Make it smaller, right? There's my 1, there's my 2. What I'm expecting for AUDUSD in the coming sessions, okay, is for a 3rd wave impulse, a 4th retracement, and then a 5, okay? Now, I'll put my parallel channel on the chart as well. The confirmation when price leaves the bottom of the trend line that we're in the 3rd wave. And for this 3rd wave, also, I'm looking for price to at least get to, I'm looking for price to at least reach the 1618, okay? So after that, obviously, then there's the 5th wave to take price even lower. I'm going to go to the 1-hour time frame. You can see the detail more. Okay. So 1, 2, I'm looking for a big push, even potentially to the 3618 or the 4618. From the daily to the 4-hour to the 1-hour, it looks like we've got a major move to the downside. Okay. Now, currently, the demand, this is demand, the whole thing from the grab liquidity. Yeah. So this move here is an order block. I don't expect this to hold because I'm expecting quite a bit down. This right here even go underneath the wick. There's demand underneath there, but I'm not expecting that to hold. I'm not expecting that to hold. In fact, there you go. We got relative equal lows, I suppose. Either way, it's nearly 10 o'clock London UK time, so the market closes in 8 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe the market opens with a bit of a gap and then we pull up. But ultimately, okay, this, if I make it clearer for you to see, and because that was the internal waves, okay, but I'm gonna map out what I'm looking for. Okay, I don't believe 1, 2, this 3 is finished. I don't believe that's finished. I think these are all the smaller subwaves. I think we'll get a bigger push down. Maybe 3 will end filling the whole of this imbalance here. This green box is an imbalance of a vector candle to the right side. That's here. Okay, let me put on the indicators quickly. You see that another green box popped up just there. If I move this to the side, that's an imbalance. Okay, and underneath that is another imbalance. It's not just an imbalance, it's an imbalance from a candle that had extremely high volume, which is why it's light green. Yes, and we call that vector candle. So I'm expecting all of this to get filled either during the Asian session or early London tomorrow. So for this pair, ideally you want to sell from this imbalance over here, this pink line here. Did I get rid of? Yeah, that can go. And this can go. Right, let's get to it. It's been a while. 1, 2, looking for 3, then 4, then 5. Expecting it to end down here somewhere. So if London session comes tomorrow and you've seen that even if the Asian session we get this, okay, and then we start pulling up, okay, and say it's London, these EMAs will be closer to price by then. Okay, you're basically looking to see maybe if it's the 50 EMA or something, because if not, if we don't trap the 50 EMA and drop, then the likelihood is we're coming to this trend line, okay, and then dropping. So that's what I'm looking for tomorrow. It's a bit, you know, tomorrow morning when the market has moved through Asia, I will do an update video, okay. But currently for AUDUSD is bearish for now. And if I can show you quickly what we're trying to do on the bigger time frame, okay, is this whole big push up that AUD has had, yeah, can be counted as a 1 or an A. All the way up until here is a 1 or an A, okay? So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, or you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Either way, this impulsive move is being retraced. Now, that makes the 0.382 very interesting. We got the 0.618 over here. There is some demand in here. I'm not expecting, either way, we take the market step by step, either which way. I'm not expecting a deep retracement. I'm actually looking at maybe just beyond the 0.382, okay, for you know, the move to start resuming back to the uptrend, if that's what the market is going to do, okay. I've been rambling. Let's go to GBPUSD. GBPUSD. You can see I trade this a lot. I get gone into more detail on this chart. As you can see, it's clearer than AUD. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move here, but where's the count? Yeah, so we got 1, 2, then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3 complete. There's our 3, 4, and 5, giving us 1. So this 1 is like the equivalent of AUDUSD's 1, okay? Because these are pairs against the dollar, right? Now we got A or W, A, B, C. So this is actually W, okay? Which this could, right, for argument's sake, right, it is possible this could be wave 2, okay? So A, B, C, or W, X, Y, and then we carry on. But reason why that's not the case, in my view, is way too shallow, okay? So with that being the 1, and let's change the degree. With that being the 1, and this being the 2, or the 2 being expected to come down, okay, that's the prior 4th wave. Sometimes 2s do end there, okay, and we could look for accumulation here, but that's in the future. So currently looking for GBPUSD to go down. You don't need all of these subwaves. We go to the 4-hour time frame. In fact, let me just show you something about it on the indicators. Let's see what's there. Okay, so the daily time frame has gone below the 50 static. That is an extremely bearish indication. It's even gone below the lower volatility band. Okay, we've closed through this trend line, this channel stroke trend line. Okay, from that pivot low to that pivot low, it acts as a trend line. Okay, we broke, we came close, we pulled up, we came through, we pulled up, and we've definitely lost the trend line now. Okay, so I'm expecting some kind of a bounce from here because we have an unmitigated demand zone with imbalance, but that I believe will come up to mitigate something and continue moving to the downside for our time frame. Okay, so the way I've got this counted now is this is my 1 for GBPUSD. This is the 1. Okay, this is an A wave. It could have been two, but I've had it as an A wave, and for good reason. And you can see now we've got, that's a three wave move. So W, this actually should be W. Okay, A B C, A B C. The moment you got a 3 and a 3, and it's proven to be corrective, which basically it is now. Yep, we've taken out the low. So 3 and a 3 to come down in a 5. This is a flat, an expanded flat. That's what I'm monitoring. I'm monitoring this as an expanded flat, and then that will give us the two wave over here. So ABC, which really is WXY, but same thing. It just means that you've got a three wave move in A, a three wave move in B, and a five wave move in C. You can actually leave it as ABC, but 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's a 1, that's a 2, and a 1, 2, and we're starting 3. So we're looking for 3. This means, because this is going to be a five wave move in a C. Okay, so this means 1, 2, 3. I don't believe that's finished yet. Okay, the market's about to close. Don't believe 3 is finished yet. We'll get a 3, we get a 4, and then we get a 5, and that will complete our C, which completes our wave 2. And then from that moment, the pound can continue higher. Oh, I don't actually expect it to get this far down, because taking out that low will invalidate the 1. And I don't expect it to get beyond the 0.886, because that's rare for a two wave. If it does hit the 886, then 0.886, I'm going to be more on the side of this being an A, B, C, or a W, X, Y, because it's rare for a two wave to hit the 0.886. And I got that from Coons, who's done the research, got the data and the stats, and he's an amazing teacher on YouTube. KOENZ, that's the name of his channel. He only trades Bitcoin though. ABC. Okay, then up from here. So we don't need this channel anymore. We can go down to the hour, and we can just, I can put on the small account here. 1, 2, 3. This would be 1, 2, 3. Looking for 4, and then 5 to complete 3. Then you get 4 and then 5 in green. Okay, so price action's probably gonna be something like this. Give us our 3. Then we come back and get this 4. Then we distribute, come down and get 5, go sideways, form a W formation, and take it all the way back up. That's my view on GBPUSD. Hold on, sorry, I got sidetracked because I did say that I expect they probably dump Euro USD on the open. Sorry, Euro JPY. Okay, sorry. No, I didn't discuss Euro JPY, but I'm in Euro JPY, and it has taken a dump on the open. You can't see it on here. It's on my IC Markets account on my phone. Depending on the broker, actually, you might be able to see it. Does it really matter? No, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, this price has gone down here somewhere on my broker, on my platform. You just can't see it on here yet. To Euro USD. Okay. Oh, I've got it. Right. Euro USD. Same thing. Okay, we'll go to the 4 hour. Looking at an A, a B now. Obviously, I've looked at NZD USD, I've looked at AUD, I've looked at pound, and now this is euro. If I had euro by itself, I'd be reluctant to go A, B, C here. I don't know, just because of the look. But indeed, this is how I'm labeling this. Okay, 3, 4, where's 5 gone? There it is. So 5 goes here, and that gives us our 1. Okay, change the color on that one. Go to the side. So that's our 1 wave. Okay, as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our 1, and this is actually pretty obvious now. I've seen it. I haven't looked at it for a bit, but this is pretty obvious. This is A, this is B, and this is a C, because there's no way this could be the correction for all of this. It's too short in time, too short in price. Doesn't have the right look for this to be the ending of all of this move coming up. So A, B, looking for C. But there was something about this move that did have me a bit unsure. Just like GBPUSD came out the channel stroke trend line, faked higher, came closed below, faked higher, and now we're off in the third wave. Okay, looking for something like this on EURUSD. So that's it for today. Okay, actually, let's throw in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the same thing. All of these things are doing the same thing. Okay, Bitcoin's coming down. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 could have ended here or here. It doesn't really matter. 4, and then I'm counting the 5th wave. I'm waiting for this to end so I can buy it back up. You can see we've broken out of the channel. We've closed below, and we will continue. In my opinion, we'll continue until we finish off 5 waves from this high at 114.03069. This high. From this high, I want to see 5 waves down, sideways movement, and price going up considerably. Not in a straight line, but I'm thinking at least, like 50, 60 pips. Not in a straight line. It could take days. Okay, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get 3, then 4, then 5. So there's still a way to go to the downside on Bitcoin. All right, I will mark up my charts properly. I've got a different setup now because before it was starting to lag when I was recording. So some of my charts I'm logged into different accounts and I haven't got to update the updated version. Okay, the market's open. They just rolled down, as you can see. I'm sitting nicely in those cells. Very, very happy. It's part of the reason why I'm jumping off right now. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will be back tomorrow with an update. Peace.